In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel invoice in Xero. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to void an invoice so it no longer affects your accounts while keeping a clear audit trail in Xero. First, open your browser and head to the Xero login page. Click Login, enter your email and password, and complete any security prompts such as two-step authentication. If you have access to multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to navigate to your invoices. From the top menu, select Business, then choose Invoices. This takes you to your sales invoices list. Here, you can use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by customer, invoice number, or status, such as draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. Find the invoice you want to cancel and click to open it. A quick tip, you can only void invoices that aren't fully paid. If the invoice already has payments or credits applied, you won't see the option to void until those are reversed, or you might consider issuing a credit note instead. With the invoice open, look to the top right for the three dots menu. Click that menu to expand your options, then select Void. Xero will show a confirmation window to double-check that you're sure. Read the message carefully because voiding removes the invoice's impact on your accounts but keeps a record for audit purposes. If there's a field to add a note, it's a good idea to briefly explain why you're voiding. Something simple like issued in error or replaced with corrected invoice is helpful for future reference. When you're ready, click Void to confirm. The invoice will immediately be marked as voided. Its totals will no longer appear in your reports or aged receivables, and customers won't be able to pay it online. The invoice remains viewable with a clear history, so you still have a complete audit trail of what happened and when. To verify the change, head back to Business, then Invoices, and filter by voided to see it listed. You can open the voided invoice anytime to review the history and your note. If you need to issue a corrected version, create a new invoice with the right details so your records stay clean and consistent. That's all there is to it. You logged in, navigated to invoices, opened the invoice you no longer need, use the three dots menu to choose void, and confirm the change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.